we were talking about kitchen and home and sleeping, right? If you connect all of these things, first is कि एक तो जो लोग उठते सुबह ग्रॉगी हैं, जो चिड़चिड़ करके उठते हैं, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि नींद अच्छे से हुई नहीं है एंड पूरा डे बेकार है. इट्स लाइक देट नो मैटर हाउ मच दे स्लीप 8 आवर्स 9 आवर्स 10 आवर्स वो थके हुए ही उठते हैं. अ लार्ज पार्ट इज़ कि उनके घर में किचन से जो पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, VOC से जो पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, बाहर का जो पोल्यूशन है वो सब प्रॉपर नहीं है क्योंकि एयर पोल्यूशन है, इसलिए दे आर नॉट एबल टू फंक्शन प्रॉपरली, राइट? डज दिस हैव अ डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट ऑन थिंकिंग एबिलिटी, productivity ability, maybe how somebody memorizes thing, brain fog, learning, ये सारी जो चीज़ें होती है पोल्यूशन से, इन सब चीज़ों का भी लेना देना है क्या घर के अंदर जो होता है?
So there's a study which has come out which says that high CO2 and VOC and PM 2.5 levels lead to lower test scores in students. So when you sleep in a bedroom without fresh, clean air and the CO2 goes to 2800, most people complain कि सुबह सुबह यार snooze का बटन दबा दो, आधा घंटा 10 मिनट और सोने दो. Why? The reason you want to sleep 10 minutes more is because the CO2 levels are so high in your room. This is assuming you didn't have too much alcohol, you didn't have a very late night. Normal. Still you want to press that snooze button because the CO2 level is so high. High CO2 slows your brain down. It is literally slows your brain down. So in your bedroom, it is kept at a high level. If it is at a high level, you wake up feeling lethargic and tired. सबसे पहले सुबह उठ के मन करता है कि यार खिड़की खोलो, fresh air चाहिए. क्यों? Because outside air is fresh and inside your room is completely stale air. So for the last 8 years, Raj, I have not needed an alarm clock to wake up. The CO2 in my room stays under 800 all night, every night. And I have not needed an alarm clock, whether I wake up at 5 o'clock for my golf or whether I wake up at 6:30 to drop my kids to school. I have not needed an alarm clock.
Has it helped you become sharper and better?
I don't know about the sharper bit. I'm not going to say that about myself, but I'll definitely say it's made me more energetic. I feel lively. I feel energetic. I wake up feeling energetic and ready for the day. I don't have lethargy in the early mornings at all anymore. Because fresh air can actually make that difference in your life.
Do you think this is on a larger country conversation? This is also making us less effective as a country. Is it making employees more tired and less productive? And people are not able to function at the top level which they should be because of
200%. And the reason I say that is every time I travel out of the country, and I used to travel a lot, even now I travel a little bit, I go out and I can feel the energy levels change. I can feel that I can work longer hours. I can walk for 20,000 steps if I'm in New York City and not feel that tired at the end of the day. And my productivity levels are at a whole different level. Even though I have clean air at home in Delhi and clean air in my office, even then I feel the difference. Imagine if you don't have clean air, what difference you will feel.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.